Jah Love was killed. What killed Chibaba? Soulja Love was one of the most talented and controversial artists ever made here in Zimbabwe. The death of Soulja Love robbed the nation of a talented and one of the zimdancehall star ever made in Zimbabwe. He took zimdancehall from one level to another with his own creativity of captivating vocal content and his marvelous voice projections. He has got thousands of copycats trying to fit his boots, and to reality, no artist is matching his craft in his own right. Chibaba was involved in many scandals during his peak of the musical career, up to the time of his death. And what are some of the scandals? Born Soul Msaka in 1989 with his twin brother, he grew up in the suburbs of Waterfalls. He rose to fame in 2012 with hits like Kum Kum and later Ndini Uya Uya, and many other hits that became anthems in each and every household. Even in 2016, his song Pamamonya Ipapo rocked the waves and made him man of the moment at the present time. He won several Zima and Nama awards, which proved he became the king of zimdancehall, which many are failing to meet the standards. Chibaba was diagnosed diabetic at the age of 7. His diabetic condition was worsened by the abuse of drugs and narcotics, which made Soulja Love to be once admitted for rehab at Yada Hotel, owned by Prophet Walter Magaya of the Prophetic Healing and Deliverance PhD Ministries. He was facing mental challenges, hallucinations, as side effects of substance abuse. His leg was also supposed to be amputated, but as he released the song Zvandasangana Nemunhu waMwari, he was praising Mr. Magaya for healing him and avoided the amputation. He followed suit after the former lover and wife, Bounty Lisa, who once visited the Yada family. The zimdancehall king got arrested in 2015 after he was paid a deposit of $750 and to be paid the balance after performance. What made Soulja Love to fail to perform? It was nothing else rather than being stoned or drugged, and failed to stand on his own, and hugely disappointed the fans and the big loss on the promoter. The much loved and talented artist and his conquering family crew caused a mayhem at Mucheke Stadium attending the Zimdancehall Summer Festival. They manhandled fans several times, avoiding them to get closer to the star, not leaving the Mutari riot where Soulja Love himself attacked fans with a golf stick and fighting with fellow enchanters. Despite not showing up for shows, getting late to concerts, double bookings, and instigating violence, Soulja Love remains the best of his time up to the time of his death and at present. The sad part was when he was reportedly turning violent at home and destroying property, as he was kind of giving up on life due to pain and stress, and it is proved by the release of the song Kanandafa, which is an emotional song. The conquering family boss once admitted because of abusing drugs, and then claimed of being in the process to quitting and recovering. The PhD visit became one of the recovering processes. The cause of his death, he had a lot of complications due to his diabetic condition, which was also catapulted by substance abuse. Due to his impact on the youths, helping fight against drug abuse through music, he was declared a provincial hero. To show that Soulja Love was a darling of many, the convoy ferrying the dancehall chanter caused mayhem on his way to his resting place. A convoy of more than 30 cars and crowds forced other motorists to stand aside and pave way to the convoy and mob. His body passed through Waterfalls, where he grew up, and then Mbare, where he rose to fame, and he headed for burial at Warren Hills Cemetery. He received a military ovation send-off. Soul Msaka was born in 1989 and he died on the 16th of February 2021 at the age of 31.
One on them head.